Frankie?
It's a lemon.
Oh. Got another customer! Zach! Ooh! Now, what shall I get? Which one of Frankie's blobs did you want me to choose, Pip?
Huh?
You told Zach to choose one of mine. Oh, well, yes, but... We just wanted to cheer you up. Because nobody was choosing your food. I know no one wants mine, but pretending to like my frog burps doesn't make me feel better. Frog burps? You've got frog burps? Is this one? I'm not sure. You'll need to ask the maker. Frankie, which one's the frog burp?
You really want one?
Yes.
This is the frog burp.